Welcome to another video. We've been working hard over the last few months fixing issues and improving the performance of Visual Micro. This is just a quick demo of how much faster the build times are in the latest version compared to previous versions for projects being rebuilt, including libraries. On the left we have the previous release, and on the right we have the latest release, which is available for download from the page shown in the top right. As you can see, the latest release has finished compiling after only 11 seconds, whilst the old build is still going for considerably longer. I think you'll agree that it's much faster in the newer version, so do go and download that from the gallery or from our website on the downloads page. Now we have it compared to the Arduino IDE on their latest version, and again you can see the latest build from Visual Micro is considerably faster, saving you time when working on your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and do check out the other videos on our channel, and also don't forget to comment below if you have any suggestions or ideas for us in the future.